It's Gary Kayye. We're here at the Almo E4 AV Tour in Boston, and I'm here with a first-time exhibitor at an E4 tour. 6 years of doing E4. You're the first. Listen, this is the first time Listen Technologies has been here, and this is Peter Papageorge, and Director of Sales. Right? Did I get all that right?
That's right. That's right. Thank you very much.
For people who don't know what Listen does, give them the elevator pitch.
Thank you. Well, we appreciate the opportunity. Almo is a great partner. We're really excited to be here at this event and kind of promote the awareness of assisted listening. We find ourselves as the leader in all technologies to help with hearing disabilities for commercial space. No matter if it's IR or it's RF or it's loop or it's Wi-Fi, classroom systems. We're working with the new ADA guidelines, and we're happy to be here. So we're showing all of our new products and IDSP, which I'm wearing, and it's just exciting time to be here with Almo.
And your products cover not just one segment of the industry, basically the whole commercial AV industry. So it can be used in K through 12 classrooms, higher education, boardrooms, conference rooms, anywhere where somebody's going to come and they're going to have a problem hearing something.
Exactly. In fact, that's
house of worship.
You know what? In fact, because of the new ADA changes, all locations with audio are now mandated to have assisted listening systems. So we're trying to find those creative ways and affordable ways for all vertical markets to have it.
And these new ADA laws, how long do the integrators have to catch the facilities up?
Well, that's a good question. Actually, March of 2012. So we're 2 years behind. So that's why we're having all of our seminars and ADA discussions right now.
Okay, so what happens now if you're a university and you have a classroom that you have without ADA facilities? Do you get in trouble?
Yeah, you could. Department of Justice is the governing body for that. So that's the reason we kind of tell them about you need to basically provide this solution, and if not, here's what happens. And a lot of universities and entities are really stepping up. So,
well, we're going to actually shoot videos on all the individual products that you guys are showing here at the Almo E4 AV Tour, and you'll be in Washington, D.C. For those of you watching, the Washington, D.C. version of this show is in 2 weeks on October 17th on Friday in Bethesda, Maryland at the Marriott there. So you'll be there as well. But give me a sneak peek. Tell me what the new one piece that you really think is really how you pointed that.
IDSP. I think that what the amazing thing is we are bridging the gap between the personal experience and the venue experience. So what's nice is the smaller receiver that allows you to name the channels of where you're at, the battery technology like a cell phone, and the accessories and the availability for how we dispense it at the level of the facility. So we're taking care of both sides to make it easy, and the experience on both sides is amazing. So it's all about the experience. And everybody will attest to that, saying, if you're going to walk into a facility or an event, a lecture, a movie, or whatever it is, that experience is what brings people back. You want to enhance the experience. So Listen is all about the experience.
So in this case, instead of having a different receiver for every single room you walk into, the receiver can switch channels, and I noticed that you name the rooms by their name.
That's right. Room 302, Aquatic Center, Boardroom, and also Spanish, Italian. If you have interpretation, remember these devices are multi-purpose. So not only for assisted listening, personal listening, translation, tour group. It's amazing when you walk into a university and you use it for a certain application, and then all of a sudden you see a group of people walk by going, all you need are these, you already have them, and let's get a transmitter, and you're now using this for tours, again, to increase the experience everywhere.
All right, so even if you aren't actually having a hard time, you don't have a listening issue, you can actually use it for group tours, and so it's not just for people that have ADA issues.
Another thing too is these are optimized to work with cochlear implants and T-coil hearing aids, and that's a big part from our commercial division of Loop. So being able to say now these are optimized, so the experience for the people that need it the most are there. They have a solution. And also for all of us that don't have a device, the accessories are now make sense. Less tangles and more optimized, and less things for the venue to actually maintain. So this is a neck loop lanyard. All in one, makes it 100% compliant, you're done. So it's easier for the venue, it's outstanding for the end user, and it works. It works really well.
Well, if you want to find out more information, you can go to listentechnologies.com.
That's correct.
And of course, you can...
Listentech.com.
Listentech.com. Russ, I apologize. Listentech.com. And then also, of course, you can go to almoproav.com because you're now a partner with Almo. So, Peter, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. Best of luck to you, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. Right. And, of course, all you got to do is do a search on Listen, and you'll find all the videos we shot today.